Hello everyone, this is part 10 of ASP.NET series lectures. In this session we'll learn how to save radio button values into the database. We'll continue from the previous part 9, so please watch part 9 to continue with the part 10. First we'll see the demo. So here are 4 options. Click on first option. So it's an incorrect option. Click on second option. It's a correct answer. Then any value will save. All the values will be stored into the database. Now I'll start with the new project. The form is already designed according to the part 9, and we'll continue with the database. First of all, we'll create the database. Create a new SQL Server database dot /SQL Express, database name radio btn db. Create the database. Now create a one table. Correct answer. Data type voucher 50 and incorrect answer. Data type voucher 50. Change the table name to TBL radio. Underscore radio btn and give a constant identity. So identity means the first column will add auto numbers. Update the database. Now database is created with the one table. Now we'll add a one radio.NET data model. So we will generate a model from the database. Select the database just created. It's radio btn, that is database which is created before. We will change the database value to database entities. Select the table, finish. Data model is added in our project. Table is already created. Double click on button event handler. Split the window. Call the database entities. Create an object db new database entities. Call the table tbl radio btn, or give any object name, or we can give any other letter issue. Now we will save the values. First value is incorrect, second value is correct, third value is incorrect, and fourth value is also incorrect. So we'll use the control structures. If radio button 1 dot checked equal true, then the text value of the radio button will be stored into the database table. So we'll save the value odd dot incorrect answer dot radio equal radio button 1 dot text. So whatever the text given in the radio button C++, this will be stored into the database. Now we'll store all three values into the database table. Incorrect values, the third and fourth, all these three, first, third and fourth options are incorrect. Radio button 2, radio button 2, radio button 3, radio button 3. Now we'll add a correct value. If radio button 2 dot checked equal true, then this will save the correct value. Odd dot correct answer equal radio button 2 dot text. Alright, code is completed. Now we'll save the database table data into the database. db.tbl.add, then add the object is R. db.SaveChanges, Response.Redirect, the page will be redirected to the same page. Radio.aspx, that is the name page, radio.aspx. radio.aspx. Now be in browser. Click on save button. So page is refreshed and values saved into the database. We'll check the database table. Show table data. So incorrect value is stored. Okay. So on the page we don't know values store or not. So we'll add the grid view. So as a table we can add to the page, or from the data source we can add a grid view onto the page. Now view in browser again. As the value will be stored, value will be stored into the database. This will be appear in the grid view. Click on Python. So you can see incorrect answer. If we will check the right answer, you can see the correct answer. So we can multiple messages. You got mark 1, so you have enter a incorrect value. You can edit it. You can save it again. So a lot of options can be added. So we have done this radio button values stored into the database. That's for today. Thanks for listening. Have a good day. Bye.